Squeaky firebox door hinges are the worst, right? Like you just want to cozy up by the fire and then bam, that annoying squeak every time you open or close the door. So here's the thing. If your firebox door hinges are making noise, it usually means they need some lubrication, like as soon as possible. First off, grab some high-temp lubricant, because regular oil just won't cut it with all that heat. Before you put any on, make sure the hinges are clean. Wipe off any dirt or rust with a rag or some steel wool. Then, squeeze a bit of that lubricant right onto the hinge pins and the moving parts. Open and close the door a few times to get it spread all around. If you don't have high-temp lube, heat-resistant graphite powder can work too, and it won't attract dust. Remember, doing this every few months keeps those hinges smooth and quiet for good. Oh, and if the hinges are super rusty or loose, it might be time to replace them so you don't have to deal with squeaks forever. One of the biggest mistakes people make with firebox door hinges squeaking is using regular WD-40 or basic oils that burn off quickly and leave the noise coming back fast. To fix that, switch to a specialized high-temperature lubricant made for fireplaces. Another issue is not cleaning the hinges properly before putting lubricant on, so dirt and rust keep causing noise. Make sure to scrub and clean first. Lastly, ignoring loose or worn-out hinges is a trap because even the best lube won't help if the hinge itself is damaged. Tighten screws or replace hinges if needed to keep everything working smoothly. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid place to find local pros who really know their stuff when it comes to fireplace repairs and other home projects. Plus, if you're a contractor, it's a great way to connect with homeowners who need your skills and want quality work done without any hassle.